Hello everybody! You have chosen the game! We are playing free Animal Hospital knockoffs. This is the first game. It is Spuddies. Yay! Yay! I know the first one's going to be bad, and the rest are just going to be equal.
To be fair, this looks like one.
This might be good.
What's this present?
Oh, present.
Oh, you have to.
Oh, I ain't doing that. Follow me. This game is going to be just as bad as the other ones. Oh, hello. Madam Gazelle!
What? How is Madam Gazelle in this game?
Actually, no, this is Gazelle Madam. Oh, view. Oh, there's a camera. There's a camera.
Oh, look, there's no cameras.
No, there are. Here.
Where?
Here. I want to reserve a seat.
They're not gonna know these.
It's shift one, of course they are. Hi, I'm very. Wow. Oh. Oh!
What the hell?
What is that?
Leave us alone.
Ew.
We're talking about being mafia.
Whoa!
It's an anomaly! It's
Ah!
an anomaly! Help! Help!
Ah!
Get the box! Help!
Ah!
Get the box!
I can't. I'm just eating my cookie.
Take him!
I just want to eat my cookie.
No! Box! Save me! What the hell?
Oh, my cookie. Oh, hot. Ooh.
How is it amazing? We literally get an anomaly. If this is somehow an anomaly, I don't know how. I reckon the next one's an anomaly.
Is this
I'm
an
just
anomaly?
so smart, bro. I'm so good at this game. Don't be an occupation.
I was hungry. Yeah, we were hungry for my brain.
My amazingness is making your brain hurt.
I got it. What do you mean? One of these guys, like the thumbnail of this game.
Yep. Make it.
Oh! What was
It
it?
went. So it just needs drinks, doesn't it?
Oh! There's an anomaly attacking them.
Two anomalies!
You hit the customer! What is the anomaly doing? Oh, elite bat. Should I get an elite bat?
That depends, do you want to?
I've got an elite bat.
You asked for a drink, so you get it.
I'm gonna kill it! Anomalies admitted. Bad reviews 2, rating terrible. One is Evil Jax. Oh, that could have been Evil Jax.
No, but it is.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the camera, look at the camera, look at the camera!
Oh, leave. Get out. Get out. It's not there. Oh! Oh!
Big Back is scared.
Secret menu! Big Bat.
Oh my god!
Big Bat!
Guys, more Big Back than
Oh my-
Big Back.
Dude.
Okay, we are now going to play another game.
Oh, there's no private servers. It's an obby. Yes.
This technically isn't a knockoff, but
Why am I arrested? What did I do? I killed too many patients in Animal Hospital. We are here in another knockoff game. This is really, really stupid.
It reminds me of that game that went really popular. It was like Barry's Prison.
Go!
Zimbo. Hey, go
to the second one!
Go to the third!
Go to the second!
Third!
I told you to go to the second! I told you to go to the second!
I'm within the thing! I've just fallen over. I can't get back up. But this game is fat shaming me so much.
How did you die?
I didn't know the fat guy hitbox was so much. Come on, I can make it to the
Go to the second one. Second.
Okay.
Yeah, good. Now go, 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 go. Quickly, quickly.
Go.
Yeah. Oh my God.
This is so easy, bro. Madame Gazelle! Eat me! Shoot him at me!
Oh yeah.
Shoot him at me! Shoot me the food!
Here you go.
I'm still not full.
It's time for the last game. The worst animal hospital game ever. Literally almost everything's AI.
Where are you?
Get in, get in.
I mean, to be fair, we might need more people. Yeah. So, you never know, it might be good then. Players is the max we can have. That's pretty decent.
Animal hospital. What is that? That's terrible. Literally everything's AI. What is this?
You're not nothing yourself. It's just a head. Yeah. That's Miss Rabbit but cursed.
Miss Rabbit has fainted.
I want to go there. The do not enter room.
The cafeteria! Oh yes.
Oh yes, let me eat all the food. Give me all the food.
Oh, you look like a burger.
Why didn't you tell me that there was a cafeteria first? Like, this game's stupid. This Madame Gazelle is like...
The hell do you mean clean smell?
It ain't even Madame Gazelle.
That's Madame Rabbit. La 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 la. La 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 la.
I did 3.
The patient win.
Medkits, did you say? Oh, it's me! Why don't I?
It's you.
I literally did 4.
I did 2.
Oh, then I probably did 3.
We did all the work! Last and definitely least, I did the last one. Perfect! Every patient room is fully stocked.
Why are you saying that?
I don't know.
I'm desperate. Here come the patient.
Why is that cheese?
Patient guys, I'm so good.
Why did it look like that? This is what happened when Jack subtracted. La 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 la.
How do I get rid of stuff? How do you get...
Well, I literally did 3 of them.
Bro, why didn't I get to say anything?
Go, go.
I don't know.
Oh, you're speaking.
Guys, it's kind of creepy. Whoa, this is awesome. I'll stay here for the rest of my shift. They even got security cameras here. Yeah, I'm staying here. Oh.
What's going on?
Emergency, check the security camera. As soon as I walk towards the security cameras.
Why am I headless? Where's my head? Oh my god! Oh! What even caused the fire?
What even caused the fire? We looked at the camera, it went in here, which means...
You did it! The secret door is opening.
Since when does a door open down? TP!
No, there's one! It's the one that caused the fire.
We saw a fire.
I think the door's opening. Oh!
Running, I'm hitting it! What is it? Why the fuck die?
The vent! Oh, why the fat guy?
Why the fat guy? Why fuck? Yes, stay! Stay there.
Yeah, that's gonna burn.
Let me in! Let it! Why?
What are you doing here? You can't be here! You guys shouldn't have seen this place. I can't let you guys go. Guards, finish them. This rabbit is evil. We literally had this idea before everything happened. Why the fat guy? Hey, I did it. This looks like illegal testing.
I knew some. I knew! If we turn them on, maybe we can find the plan to stop.
I have a feeling we're gonna have to hide in here. It's working!
He's brainwashing patients to build an army to take over the world.
Wait! I hear someone coming! Hide! I knew it! I knew we could I knew it! Rush is coming!
Stuck.
Rush is coming!
I'm putting it stuck!
No! No! That was close. No!
Right, the fat guy!
Everyone fell! Ah! Hello everybody, this is the outro. We have 50 subscribers!
Yay!
We have something coming up for you. I only have one thing to say. I only have one thing to say to you. Why the fat guy?